The Dawn Chorus, Nature's Symphony. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and poetic phrase in the English language, the Dawn Chorus. This phrase captures a natural phenomenon that is as enchanting as it is significant in various cultures and literatures. Let's dive into the magical world of the Dawn Chorus. The dawn chorus refers to the time just before and during sunrise when many birds sing. It's a natural concert, mostly heard in the spring and early summer. This chorus is not just a random occurrence. It has biological and ecological reasons behind it, which we will explore. In this section, we'll discuss why the dawn chorus is important. It's not only a beautiful natural occurrence but also an indicator of the health of our environment. Birds sing for various reasons like attracting mates, marking territories, and signaling a new day. This section will help us appreciate the deeper meanings behind this natural event. The dawn chorus has been a source of inspiration in various cultures and literature. It's often seen as a symbol of hope, renewal, and the beauty of nature. We'll explore how this phrase has been used in poetry, songs, and even in everyday language to convey feelings of optimism and the start of something new. The dawn chorus is more than just birds singing at sunrise. It's a symphony that connects us to nature and has deep cultural significance. I hope this video has given you a new appreciation for this beautiful phenomenon and added a lovely phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep listening to the music of nature and happy learning.